Alright, we're back for part 2. This here is the Foxx Grips Glock 17 Gen 5, which is this right here. Now, these here are simply stick-on hand grips. This is all they are. Seems alright, I guess. Honestly though, this here seems a lot rougher than that. But the good thing is we put them on, we peel them off if we don't like them. So let's see what it says here. We got some instructions. Got finger strap, finger strap, finger strap. Only got one finger strap here. Got the back strap, unlike a deer, the back strap, and we got a left and right. So it's just a matter of wiping it down with the alcohol prep to make sure there ain't no oil or anything on the grip here. And then basically stick them on. Seems pretty easy. Grips only need to be warmed to help conform to the contours. Alright, well, let's see what happens. Alright, first thing to do here is take this alcohol swab and wipe down the handle. Make sure there ain't no oils on anything. Which, if you watch part 1, you can see whenever we put the, attempted to put the pistol skins on there, the white snow digi camo stuff, didn't work out as planned. But we already had everything really wiped down good because we used that brake cleaner. So let's dry this off a little bit. Give her a quick drying. Maybe wipe her off with a rag just to make extra shorts dry. Rubbing alcohol doesn't take too long. Alright, there. Now, we got left, right, and back strap and a finger thing. So let's put the back strap on first because that sounds the easiest. Seems like it's good sticky stuff. Let's see how well this works. Doesn't really say how it goes on. I would imagine it's just like this though. So I guess you're kind of just guessing. Looks relatively straight. Yeah, it looks straight-ish. And we're just pushing that into place. It seems, I don't know. It looks good on there. I don't necessarily know if it's any more grip, but it's got a neat look to it. So, just for shits and giggles, let's heat that up a little bit. Make sure it sticks. Yeah, it looks good on there. I definitely like the look. Like I said, functionality, I don't know if it really makes a difference at all. But it does look good. Now, let's peel one of these siders off here. Okay, so this definitely goes here. You got the cutout right there for the ejector. The magazine ejector. Try to get that in place. Hopefully my big head's not in the way. That ain't right either, come on. Essentially all you're doing is covering up the stuff that's already on there. Alright, I think that's good. Push her on. You gotta go easy with this stuff. You can't just grab and go. You gotta work with it a little bit. Got that little X in there for the Foxx. Let's throw a little heat to that just to help that glue bond on her. other side. Now it even has a little cutout there for the Glock emblem on it. Alright. So that's on there. There we go. So holding that on place. The other camera. All right, now the one for the middle. This one goes right here because it's the only place left. If you're gonna be looking down, the barrel of a gun, make sure it's unloaded. That's on there like that. And we'll heat that up a little bit just to bond it. Alright, I think that's good. Now, well, you know what? It don't feel too bad. Don't feel too bad at all. A little concerned about that spot right there. I think I choked up a little too much on it. I don't think it's that bad. That don't feel bad. That don't feel bad at all. I kind of like that. Definitely changes the look of it. I like that look. Don't look too bad at all. Yeah, I like that look. I actually like that better than the whatever that stuff, the stippling or whatever it's called that's originally on there. Well, at least that worked because the other one was a huge epic fail. But that worked pretty good. I like it. Seems like it's conformed to all the little divots and stuff. It seems that it's staying in place. It's not peeling off at all. So next warm day we get, we'll put a couple hundred rounds through it and see how it holds up. Alright, well that there was a success. And I wasn't sure at first if I was going to like it. But I definitely do. I like the look it gives it. It's subtle, but I like it. As for functionality, it feels alright on there. I mean, I like it. I don't know what else to say about it. I think it was worth it. I don't know how much I paid for it, but I think it was worth it. I'm overly pleased with that. And it was simple and easy to do, unlike part one. Like I said, nothing against pistol skins, gun skins, whatever their name is, but you need a professional. This, you can do this yourself. You don't need a professional for that. And I like it. I think it feels pretty good. I'm overly surprised. Alright, we'll see you back for part 3 where we put the, I don't know what that thing's called, belt clip thingy, so you can just put it right on your side. You don't need a holster, nothing. I have one on my Kel-Tec P3AT. I love it. So now I'm going to put one on here so I can start carrying this one more often. See you back here for part 3.